In this video, we will talk about how to find the value of a missing leg, whether that's A or B, using the Pythagorean theorem. Let's go ahead and first start with step one, which is to fill out our formula. Our formula for the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Remember, this works with all right triangles, and this triangle we see here has a right angle. Now let's go ahead and fill in our formula. We don't know what a is, so I'm going to keep a squared like that. B squared can be 5 squared, and then equals to c squared, which would be 13 squared. Now I'm going to go ahead and calculate step 2, b squared and c squared. So I still don't know what a squared is. I know b squared, which is 5 squared, is 25, and 13 squared is 169. Next, what I can do is start solving for a, which is step 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides to get a by itself. If I subtract 25 from both sides, these 25s cancel out, so I'm left with a squared is equal to 144. And last but not least, I'm going to just find the square root of the square root of 144 to figure out what a is equal to. So the square root of 144 would tell me that a is equal to 12. Don't forget to do this last step here of finding the square root after you subtracted, otherwise you'll get your answer incorrect. You can also plug in whatever you get for a back into your formula. 12 squared plus 5 squared does equal 13 squared because 12 squared is 144, 5 squared is 25, and that is equal to 169.